Hi boys and girls, it's me and Willow here, and today we're gonna cook some chocolate chip cookies. So first thing we're gonna do is we need to check to make sure we have all the ingredients. So some of the things we're gonna need is 2 cups and 1/4 of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter, 3/4 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups packed of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 large eggs, and 2 cups or a small bag of chocolate chips. So it looks like we have all the ingredients we need to start making our cookies. We also need 2 bowls to mix different ingredients in each bowl. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna combine the flour, the baking soda, and the salt in a small bowl. So if you take a look, which bowl do you think is small? This bowl is going to be smaller than this bowl. So we're gonna use the small bowl to mix the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. Next, in a large bowl, we're gonna mix the butter. So we have to unwrap the butter because we don't want any of this wrapping in our cookies. So we'll unwrap the butter. 1 stick. And 2 sticks. Nice and messy. Next, we add the butter. Now we need our sugar. Oops, don't drop the bowl. We need the brown sugar and the vanilla extract. Let's take it. Ooh, it's vanilla. You smell that, Willow? Delicious. All right, so we want to make sure we don't make a mistake. We're gonna go slow. 1 teaspoon. Whoop. All right, now we have to mix it. So let's get a wooden spoon and let's start mixing. Mix all this good stuff up. Mixing and mixing. What you think, Willow? Take a look. What you think? Are we doing a good job? I think Willow approves. This is kind of hard. All right, this is a lot of work, and I don't think this tool is working so great. So instead, I have an electric mixer here that I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's try this out. Oh. All right, after you mix the butter, the sugar, and the vanilla extract, you're gonna wanna add your eggs one at a time. So we're gonna crack 1 egg. Make sure you don't get the shell in there. We'll mix that in there. Once you mix the 1 egg, you'll add 2 eggs. So we'll add a 2nd egg. Make sure you don't get the All right, after you finish mixing all the ingredients, we're gonna add the last thing, which is the chocolate chips. And on this part, you're gonna be able to use your hands to mix. Oh my goodness, I can't even open this thing. There's some scissors. Scissors are our friends. All right, get those, whoa, lots of chocolate chips. All right, now we're gonna mix this all in there. You can use your hands for this part to make sure you get all those chocolate. All right, now that we mixed all the ingredients, we're gonna take just a little ball, depending on how big or small you want the cookie, and you're gonna place it on this tray. Now, one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some spray on here just to make sure it does not stick. Probably a little too much, but just to be safe. Put a little ball on the cookie tray. Do another one. And you wanna make sure there's space between the cookies because you don't want them to get stuck together into one giant cookie. So we're gonna put some space in there.
We're gonna see how many cookies we can put on this tray. What do you think? How many cookies do you think we're gonna be able to put on here? Remember, we don't want to put them too close together, so we're thinking about that. Let's see. So far, how many cookies do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many more do you think we can put on here? Let's see. 5, done. So we have 8 cookies on this tray. Alright, we ran out of space. I'm going to switch to this tray. Remember, make sure your dog doesn't eat the chocolate chips, because chocolate chips are no good for puppies. Tray. Let's see how many cookies on this tray. Let's see if I can get more on this tray than the other tray. So the other tray had 8. So let's see if we can get more or less on this tray. Now we have 3. What do you think? Which tray do you think is going to have more? This tray 1 or tray over here, number 2? Let's see. Now 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
All right, let's keep going. 9 and 10. Watch out for those sneaky puppies trying to steal your cookies. All right, so this tray has 10. And this tray has 8. So which tray has more? If you said this tray has more, you're correct because 10 is more than 8. So this tray has 10 cookies and this tray has 8. So now that we have our cookies on our tray and our puppies on our seat, we're gonna put our cookies in the oven. Now in the oven, you want the temperature to be 375. So let's go check. 375. Perfect. Now we're gonna put the cookies in on the top shelf because I don't want them to burn. And we'll wait. But while we're waiting, I know a story about a mouse who also loves cookies. If you give a mouse a cookie, then the mouse will ask for a glass of milk. When you give the mouse the milk, he will ask for a straw. When the mouse is finished, he will ask for a napkin. The mouse will want to look in a mirror to see if he has a milk mustache. When the mouse looks in the mirror, the mouse will see his hair needs a trim. After the mouse trims his hair, the mouse will want a broom. The mouse might sweep every room in the house. The mouse then will want to take a nap. You will have to find him a little box with a blanket and pillow. The mouse will make himself comfortable and ask for you to read him a story. He will ask to see the picture and will want to draw. The mouse will draw with crayons and paper. When the picture is finished, the mouse will want to sign his name with a pen. The mouse will want to hang his picture on the refrigerator, so the mouse will ask for tape. The mouse will hang up his picture and look at it. The mouse will remember he is thirsty and ask for a glass of milk. And chances are, if he asks for a glass of milk, he will want a cookie. What a wonderful story about a little mouse. And of course, when you have some chocolate chip cookies, you're gonna be thirsty and want some milk to go with it. My friend Willow here loves some milk. Too bad she can't have any of these cookies.